the candle is like changing its shape, okay, because of the air. 가, 터, 포, 추. Okay, so I hope you could understand. 카드, 카드, 코, 키. If you pay attention, 키, K-H-E, 키. 타조, 토마토, 투우사, 파리, 포도, 우표, 차, 치마, 고추, 커피, 코트, 기차표. Okay, it's pronounced like this, and double consonants. K, t, p, s, ch. It's like this. So here it is saying that these are tensed versions of k, t, p, s, j. These are pronounced with glottal tension while pulling the chin sharply down. Okay, you have to, how can I say, make it strong letters, okay? Ka, ta, pa, sa, ja. If you are paying attention, I am pronouncing with some kind of how can I say, strong version, okay? So let's try pronouncing these letters. 까치. I could say 까치, but I'm saying 까치. 꼬리 is one letter. 꼬리, two letters, right? 코끼리, elephant. If you are paying attention, 코끼리. No, this is one letter, but I'm saying 코끼리, right? Here is 따다, 뜨다, 머리띠, right? I'm not saying 머리띠, but I'm saying 머리띠. 뿌리, 뼈, 아빠, 싸다, 쓰다, 아저씨, 짜다, 찌다, 가짜. I hope you learned everything about these letters, right? So this is a writing order of these letters. Just yeah. Wa, wo, we, okay? You can fill out if you want. So, 개미, 배, 새, 해, 개, 세수, 그네, 카메라, 얘기, 예쁘다, 서예, 시계, 과자, 와이셔츠, 화가, 사과, 무워, 주어요, 더워요, 추워요. So this one and last pictures, they how can I say, they are pronounced nearly same, but you have to pay attention. 추워요, and this one 추워요, it is pronounced like 추워요. Okay, next one is 돼지, 돼지, 돼지. 왜, waiter, waiter. Okay, this one is waiter, waiter. 소고기, 소고기. 외우다, 외우다. 회사, 회사. 두뇌, 두뇌. 귀, 귀. 쉬다, 쉬다. 쥐, 쥐. 가위, 가위. 의사, 의사. 의자, 의자. 여의도, 여의도. And 회의, 회의. It has to be 회의, but how can I say? Korean people choose easy way of pronouncing this word like 회의, just e. Okay, 회의. Alright. 받침, 받침. Okay. 받침, that means syllable final consonants. Syllable final consonants. So that means how can I say? 받침s are written under the letters which come before. That means 1, 2, and under 1, 2, as I said before, under 1, 2, third letter is written like this. Here, this one first letter, and this one second, and third letter this one. Okay, it is called 받침. 받침s are these letters. Okay. 악, 악, 악. They are 받침s. An. Letter N is 받침. At, at. Letter T or D is 받침. At, at. And this, if this letter S, if it's written in 받침, it is read as T. Okay, at, at. And this one is also at, at. And letter G is also pronounced as T. Sometimes. But here ach, let's say ach. And this one is ach, ach. This letter is H letter. Al, up, up, ang. These letters, third letters, all of them, they are called 받침. Okay? And 받침s are always consonants, not vowels. Vowels do not come as 받침. Here, 벽, 부엌, 박. When it comes as third letter, here, look. This is 받침. 부엌, letter K is 받침. 박, double K is 받침. Here in 부엌, even if comes letter U comes under this letter, it is not 받침, okay? Vowels never come as 받침. 눈, 눈, 꽃, 밑, 옷, 낫, 꽃, 흐이, 딸, 곰, 집, 잎, 방. Look, third letters are all 받침s, okay, here. So here, 벽, 벽 plus K, 벽. 벽 means wall. 박, double K, okay, 박. 박 means is outside. 눈, 눈 means eye. 산, 산 means mountain. 밑, 밑, 옷, 옷. 낮, 낮, 꽃. Actually, it should be 꽃, but Korean people say it as 꽃, 꽃. 딸, 딸, 물, 물. 곰, 곰. 삼, 삼. 집, 집. 숲, 숲. 공, 공. 방, 방. These letters, these words are example for 받침, okay? So 수박, 수박. 그 is 받침. 책, 그 is 받침. 부엌, 그 is 받침. 박, double K is 받침. 돈, 레몬, 신문, 우산, 꽃, 밑, 빛, 옷, 낮, 꽃, 빛, 흐이. Okay? And next one is 딸기. Letter L is 받침 here. So look, this letter is not coming between two vowels, right? That is why we are reading as L. 딸기. And this one is 물. Okay? Because there's no any more vowels. That is why we read as 물. And letter L is 받침. 발, 연필. Letters N and L are 받침s, okay? 곰, 남자, 엄마, 컴퓨터, 밥, 입, 무릎, 숲, 가방, 공, 냉장고, 장문. So I think we have to finish here. Next time we are gonna move to the unit 1. We will start a new grammar. We start with 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Okay, that means hello. We will, next time we will learn how to introduce ourselves or how to greet with other people in Korean. Okay, I hope you understood some rules and you are able to, you can understand and you can read Korean words, right? So that's all, but there are some exceptions in upcoming lessons about pronunciation, just small ones. Mainly you have to learn how to read these letters. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. I hope you will like it. You can learn something useful for your studies. And please subscribe, share, and comment below. I am going to answer to your questions. Thank you very much. Have a great day.